Customers are excited to use your products, but oftentimes they struggle to navigate the complexity. So they search, scroll, and stream to have a baseline understanding on how they can see the value. Let them discover the highest potential of your products by creating value through education. Introducing Nural Customer Education, a learning platform that is designed to achieve long-term behavior change for product success. Now, every brand can create on-demand classes, organize event activation, and build loyalty through certification. Having these initiatives in a unified learning avenue will give you cost efficiency in customer relations that eventually leads to a better ROI. Nural utilizes the science of learning to empower every business to increase product adoption. Remember, educated customers make educated decisions. Start your own customer education platform with Nural.